Been in this rap game like Saint Zeph, changing life one poor boy at a time. Hypocrites still confused on which struggle to choose. Picky bitches and 1 week later, seeing the view and being used. Snaps as a rapster, as jy moeg van die tannie. Of wil jy aangaan, ek sit 'n bitch op 'n hips. Petrol is lig, nou wil jy praat soos Tek en 5 stukken aan die back, jy sal pa kry. Drink a gin, that's Ivan. Cerebellum like fucked up, ook is slaan het sitsik aan my backflip. Back is nie Jackie, maar ons maak jylle gat moet brand soos dub en curry. Carry on bra, you that rapper with a busted side draft. Your verses like tuning, light is kak zip with a hoodie on. Nowadays, ladies screaming, fuck Elm Street. Never go to sleep when the wolf's on the mic. You gon' catch a fright. Imperial bitch fight, overnight delivery. Never played with the 9 like I wasted 9 months. Still trying to size up. I'm the reason why motherfuckers have a happy meal. Looking all sad inside. She ain't no J-Lo, but she never fails to surprise. Okay, Big Mac fucking around with the color of terror. And I ain't never said lean back, motherfucker.